Hello everyone, this is Fred with USA Measurements, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your US-WT100 indicator with our wireless transmitter to make it wireless. So if you purchase one of our wireless transmitters, it comes with this unit here, and we can either put a male or female connector on this end, depending on what type of scale system you have. Now this part here has the internal rechargeable battery, and we do include the power adapter here to charge it. So first what we want to do is set it up here with our bench scale. Just like that. Now there is a power button there, but you actually don't need to use that to turn it on. And so we're going to take the other end here, which is our female connector, and plug it into our US-WT100 indicator. So we're going to just plug it into the back here. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and turn this on. And you'll see right away that once we turn it on, the power from this is coming from our US-WT100 indicator, and then you'll see that our transmitter on this side turns on. Now right now, it's not giving us an accurate weight and showing weird readings because we need to calibrate it. So if you purchase the wireless transmitters on their own and to add it as an upgrade later, you will have to calibrate. However, if you do purchase it together as a bundle, we will already calibrate it for you, and you'll just need to plug in the cables to get it working. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly calibrate here. And we do have tutorials that will walk you through all these steps. But I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick calibration here just to show you how it works. All right, now our calibration is done. And now you can see we're back in our weighing mode. So I can go ahead and take this off the platter here. And you can see that there's no cables connecting between the scale and the system here. It's completely wireless. And that's how you can use our US-WT100 indicator with our WT100, which is our wireless transmitter, to make your scale system completely wireless. Thank you for watching.